Cut across to Rahul Gandhi, who's speaking.
They felt that a judge of the High Court has died, district court has, special CBI, has died under suspicious circumstances. And it is owed to that judge and his family that the investigation should be done properly and effectively. This feeling was expressed to us by different parties and by large numbers of members of parliament. So we decided to take this feeling and give it to the president. थोड़ा आपको अभी कॉपी देंगे, थोड़ा कपिल सिब्बल जी थोड़ा डिटेल में आपको बताएंगे मेमोरेंडम के बारे में.
So just one question.
I just want to respond to what you said. You said that the matter is going on in the Supreme Court. But remember that there is no investigation by the Supreme Court. What is going on is a public interest litigation. These matters cannot be decided through a public interest litigation. आपको मालूम है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये कानून तय किया है कि अगर कोई कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस बनता है तो तुरंत एफआईआर होनी चाहिए. तो एक जज की बहन ने अगर कह दिया कि पूर्व चीफ जस्टिस बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने मेरे भाई को 100 करोड़ की ऑफर की कि एक पक्ष में एक जजमेंट, किसी के पक्ष में जजमेंट दे, तो अपने आप में एफआईआर तब होना चाहिए था 2014 को, और आज तक एफआईआर नहीं हुआ. और 2 लोगों की और मृत्यु हो गई, खांडेलकर साहब और तोमरे साहब, जो लोया साहब के नजदीक थे. किस तरह से उनकी मृत्यु हुई, एक को 6 स्टोरी बिल्डिंग से फेंका गया अदालत में ही, और एक को ट्रेन में जा रहे थे और अपर बर्थ से गिरे और उनकी स्पाइन टूट गई दोनों. तो ये 2 भी बहुत संगीन मामले हैं. तो कहने का मतलब यह, ये मामले कोर्ट पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट द्वारा तय नहीं कर सकता, ये कोई कानून नहीं कहता. तो आज अचंबा ये है कि पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट द्वारा ये बातें कही जा रही हैं, हालांकि इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए. और एसआईटी की हमने मांग की है राष्ट्रपति जी से कि एसआईटी हो, लेकिन सीबीआई के अफसरों के साथ नहीं, एनआईए के अफसरों के साथ नहीं, क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि सीबीआई के अफसर करते क्या हैं. इसी केस में सोहराबुद्दीन के केस में सीबीआई के अफसरों ने अपील नहीं की. तो हम उन पे हमें विश्वास नहीं है. एक इंडिपेंडेंट, जैसे 2G में हुआ था, इंडिपेंडेंट एसआईटी बनी थी. अगर 2G में कमर्शियल मामले के बन सकती है, तो एक जज के मृत्यु के मामले में क्यों नहीं एसआईटी बन सकती?
The example that you have given, 2G, it was a Supreme Court monitored trial.
We want to monitor.
Supreme Court is already seized of the matter.
No. Please don't. There was, in fact, an investigation pursuant to the SIT setup. Then there was a trial. यहाँ तो कोई एफआईआर भी नहीं दर्ज कर रहा, कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन भी नहीं हो रही. ये तो पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन में नोटिस तक नहीं दिया गया. ये बात एक अचंभे की है.
Sir, as far as Mr. Tomare and Mr. Khandelkar's death is also concerned, there seems to be a doctor suggesting that it was a case of a natural death and that there was a suicide note found and it wasn't that he was thrown from a district court building. So are you still saying that things to be shrouded in mystery?
Look, it is not for us to establish somebody's death. It is for us to request an investigation into the circumstances in which he died.
We just want to have a proper investigation done by an independent structure that gives us the outcome. We feel that there is suspicion in all these 3 cases, and the country also feels it.
The family has come out and said it's a case of natural
The sister has, the brother has, the father has. I'm sorry.
So do you suspect that the son was under pressure when he said it's under duress by the government again?
You know it better than us because you saw the son and how he made
You
it.
obviously suspect it. That's why you asked me the question.
I don't nothing because you've
No,
gone to the president.
the main thing is there was a sentiment in the House. 114 members of Parliament felt that this must be taken to the president. They felt that this is suspicious, and 3 people have died, and we felt that it should be an independent inquiry. So we feel an SIT would be the right approach, and an SIT from the Supreme Court. Would some of the others like to comment?
What you said is correct.
I'll add, this is not just political parties or members of parliament are agitating on these developments. People at large in the country are agitating on these developments in order to restore the faith of the people in our system. it is in the interest of the country. We are asking for an independent investigation, SIT investigation, independent investigation. That's why we went to the President of India, who is the custodian of the Constitution, and we sought his intervention, and he was quite sympathetic, and he listened to us, and he said whatever within the constitutional appropriate framework, whatever can be done, he will do. That's what we understood.
BJP's target seems to be that BJP says that you are only trying to attack the BJP National President Amit Shah. That's exactly why this whole furor is all about.
No, the point is...
We have other jobs. There's not a job. See, politics is something different.
Go ahead, please.
Politics is something different.
I don't want to interfere, but Amit Shah happens to be an accused in the matter.
Absolutely.
Is that right? Yeah. So why should we be attacking Amit Shah? It is the law which is attacking him, not us.
We're just saying that the law should take its course.
Law should take its course.
Mr. Gandhi, we also have a separate question. You again tweeted gate lie. You already facing a privilege
That spell check of yours seems to be...
The spell check, I need to look at the spell check. I need to look at the spell check. Look, there's a couple things. I don't want to shift focus from the Lohia issue. There's a couple things. The fundamental thing is that some time back, the defense minister said that she will give the pricing information to the country. Now she has changed her position, and she is now saying that it is a state secret. We have given examples of very similar prices during the UPA time. Arun Jaitley ji yesterday said in Parliament that we did not show the prices, and we have shown that we did. So what else do I call him? That's what I have to call him, because he is not telling the truth. Thank you.